mga witnesses na mayroon talagang nabigyan. But yun ang usap-usapan ngayon. They're still validating it, ma'am.
Ano pa po yung usap-usapan bukod sa general detail na yon na 200M to a high BI official? Meron pa bang ibang mga di umanong sinuhulan? Meron pa bang additional amounts na pinag-uusapan?
May pinag-uusapan na yung sa border immigration.
Mhm.
Hindi ko lang alam, ma'am, yung exact amount, including PNP officials.
Mm.
Pero hindi ko pa rin confirm yun, ma'am. Kasi I'm outside of the loop lately, ma'am, because we're busy right now helping the law enforcement agencies running after the illegal POGOs in the countryside or in the provinces.
Alin pong PNP units ang binabanggit sa usap-usapan?
Hindi PNP unit, ma'am, but personalities.
PNP personality. Sino-sino po?
I think it was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP daw.
Wow. Alright. Salamat, General Villanueva. Sino pong resource person ng PNP dito? Yes, sir. General Takaka. So we've heard a few of the agencies so far saying nagkukondukta po sila ng internal investigation sa kanila ring mga hanay. Narinig nyo or sa sariling Intel Directorate at units ng PNP, meron din po bang ganitong mga impormasyon, ganitong mga hundreds of millions of pesos in di umano mga bribe amount sa mga matataas na opisyal sa BI at ngayon nababanggit pati isang dating PNP chief pa. Sa inyo pong investigasyon, ano pong lumalabas, General?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. For the part po ng PNP, so far po wala po kaming report with regards po kung may mga nasuhulan na PNP personnel. But despite of that po ay yung aming pong intelligence community ay tuloy-tuloy po ang kanilang pag-coordinate sa ibang agencies para malaman kung may mga PNP personnel na involved, then we will file the necessary case po kung may mga evidence po kaming makukuha. Your Honor.
General, I'm almost disappointed. Dahil sa isang naunang hearing, kayo ang naunang institusyon na nakaalam na nakatakas na sa bansa si Go Huaping. Kayo lang yung nagsabi, August 14 pa lang alam nyo na. At August 15 sinabihan nyo ang BI. Whereas all the other agencies then said August 19 lang daw nila nalaman nung nagmanifestation ako na parang sa Senado pa umaasa ng Intel ang ating Intel agencies. I cannot believe it and I don't want to believe it. Kasi pag ganun talaga ang state of Intel natin, kawawa tayo sa mga susunod na panahon. So sir, earlier the PNP resource person in an earlier hearing also said may internal investigation kayong ginagawa. Wala pa bang bunga yun? Especially about a very important issue like corruption of high officials within the organization.
Yes, ma'am, yung report sa amin na nakatakas si Alice po is coming from the Interpol po, ma'am. So yun po yung naging information po namin coming from the Interpol po na nakuha po natin.
So,
then yung sa mga allegations po na is ongoing naman po, ma'am, yung aming investigation.
Yes sir, pero more than a month ago na po yung August 14 na input ng Interpol. So really I'm shocked. And PNP widow po ako, alam nyo naman. So may expectation ako sa National Police natin. Well, thank you, General, but you know, PNP has to come back with more than that sa komiteng ito. Kami, ginagawa namin yung aming trabaho in terms of investigation in aid of legislation, but patapos na rin po kami. Step up na dapat talaga ang law enforcement. Salamat, General Takaka. Before I recognize Senator Joel, balik lang, General Villanueva, you mentioned a former chief PNP. Mula sa intel nyo, anong klaseng tulong, aid o assistance ang pinrovide nung taong ito?
I don't know the exact ma'am kung anong pinrovide na support. But yun lang naman na nabanggit sa amin, sir, but hindi pa na-confirm yan, ma'am, kung talagang nagbigay or binigyan or tinanggap or may witnesses. Yun lang po ang naririnig namin, sir, within the intelligence community. But I'm out of the loop po kasi lately, ma'am, eh. Hindi ko din ma-confirm yan, ma'am, kung ano.
I understand, General. Pero just to be clear, no, bahagi ng usap-usapan sa Intel community na a former Chief PNP ay on the take kay Guo Huaping. Tama po?
Yes, ma'am, yan. Pero hindi ko din ma-ascertain yan, ma'am, kung kanino galing yung report, ma'am. It's just parang rumors lang within the intelligence community. I think they are validating it right now. I even went to NICA last week, but there's no information about it, ma'am.
Salamat, General. That's all well noted. Pero dun sa usap-usapan na vine-verify pa ng buong Intel community, kasama din ba sa usap-usapan na itong alleged former Chief PNP ay tinulungan ng kahit sino sa mga kasalukuyang government officials natin sa usapin ng pagtakas ni Guo Huaping?
Wala naman, ma'am. Ang parang usapan dun, ma'am, parang nasa payroll, yung monthly payroll. Ever seen?
It gets worse and worse. Kanina, bad enough yung magbayad di umano ng 100,000,000 pisong suhol para makatakas ang isang Guo Huaping. Even worse kung historically may monthly payroll. Attorney Magno, sa NBI po ba may ganyang mga anggulo rin tinitignan ang bureau, yung suhol pati sa isang dating Chief PNP at yung monthly payroll pati sa mga government officials?
Madam Chair, lahat po yan ay tinitingnan po natin. But at this moment, we cannot comment on the investigation and intelligence gathering that we are conducting. Since sa binubuo po naming pag-backtrack at pag-iimbestiga, ay kasama po namin tinitingnan niya, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Attorney Magno. Kanina nabanggit ni General Villanueva ang NICA. I think I heard we have a resource person here from NICA. Yes, sir. If you could come forward po. Does NICA have anything to tell us at this point? Kung may investigasyon din kayo sa anggulo ng mataas na BI official, mataas na PNP official, ultimong dating PNP chief di umano, o sino mang current government officials na mga tumulong sa pagtakas ni Guo Huaping. Nakapanumpa kayo kanina, sir. Ano po? Okay, salamat, sir. Yung pangalan po ninyo, sir?
Magandang umaga po, Madam Chairperson, the Honorables. I am Director Ferlo Silvio po ng NICA. Katulad po ng sinabi ni Attorney Magno, tuloy-tuloy po yung aming investigasyon dito po sa Pilipinas at kasama po sa ibang bansa. Lalong-lalo na sa Malaysia and Indonesia. Generally po, I cannot give the specific progress. Pero may pagtuloy-tuloy na pag-uusap po ngayon ng aming liaison officers kasama po yung police attaches ng dalawang post, Malaysia at Indonesia. For now po, kung sakali po, I'm sorry, I cannot give a comment with regards to the new statement given by General Villanueva. Pero I rest assured po ang NICA magbibigay ng developments.
Salamat po. Pero yung mga nababanggit ng mga posibleng personalidad at mga posisyong inukupahan nila dati o inuokupahan ngayon, kasama po yon sa ongoing investigation ng NICA? O sa fact-finding ng NICA?
Sa ngayon po ay priority po namin yon. Kung nakalagay po doon sa ibang mga agenda, i-priority po namin yun. Makakaso po kayo, Madam Chairperson.
Salamat.
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel.
I am being tempted to raise a point of order, but perhaps I will just ask if the committee was able to receive the request of this representation, if you recall, in the very first hearing, to ask the agencies of the government as to how they conduct yung pong case build-up, yung paano yung hypothesis nila, yung protocols nila, yung way of how they establish, Madam Chair, yung mga binabalangkas nila at sasabihin nilang ito na talaga yung validated information. Did we receive anything from the different agencies of the government that we asked for, Madam Chair?
Salamat, Senator Joel. Nare-recall po ng Chair iyan at iniugnay din sa tanong ng Chair sa mga ahensya. Ano yung mga teorya nyo ng pagtakas ni Go Huaping? Comsec, nakapagsumite na po ba yung ating mga ahensya nitong at least nabuo o nabubuo nilang kwento ng pagtakas na iyon?
Madam Chair, I can see our COMSEC saying wala ni isa pa rin na nagbibigay sa atin. Wala pa rin ni isa. Madam Chair, matatapos na tayo sa hearing na to.
Correct.
Wala pa rin na format lang and protocols, papaano nila ginagampanan yung tungkulin nila. Another thing, Madam Chair, that I'd like to raise.
Before you raise the other point, Senator Joel, please, the government agencies present today na sigurado ko lahat kayo ay nandoon sa unang hearing na yon, please submit within the day what you have so far in the last more than a month since that request was made and the chair asked it from you. All right, please,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you very much, Madam
Senator
Chair. And
Joel.
I can see
Yes.
our resource persons nodding their head. Let the record show that. Madam Chair, we also would like to find out if, because the statements of retired General Raul Villanueva about the PNP, did we invite General Karamat, Madam Chair?
Senator Joel, General Karamat is present. General,
He's here. He's here.
lapit po kayo dito sa ating
Okay.
mesa.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. And one last thing that I'd like to say to the Bureau of Immigration, sir, Your Honor. We started deliberating and investigating POGO since 2016. I was the chair of the Labor Committee, and during that time, we were able to unearth yung pong pinakamalaking human trafficking doon sa Clark Air Base, 1,200 plus po yun. Kinumend pa po namin, natatanda ko si Senator Sherwin saka si Senator Nancy, kinumend pa namin yung Deputy Commissioner, and then a few days later, lumabas po yung video ng Deputy Commissioner, nandun nanghihingi ng 50 million na cash. Nakita ho yun, at ngayon I think nakakulong po sila, si Deputy Commissioner Argosino at isa pang another Deputy Commissioner Robles. No? Madam Chair, hindi na tayo nabibigla kung even the highest police officer pwedeng maging involved dito. Kaya nga po sinabi natin the importance of this committee deliberation, dahil kung hindi po tutuldukan itong evils of POGO, hindi lang ho mayor ng Bamban ang kayang i-produce ng mga illegal activities ng POGO. I'm sure easily they can produce congresspersons, even senators, and someday probably a POGO-sponsored president. So I hope ang Bureau of Immigration would have the passion right now to clear your agency, sir. Kasi ang dami na ho, no? 2 commissioner na yan. Tapos ngayon, kakatanggal lang nung isang pinalitan po ninyo. Noong pong time ng pinag-uusapan yung SWP, yung Special Working Permits, tayo din po, nilabas po natin yung dyan sa SM Aura na 5,000 lang yung babayaran mo, pati yung security guard kasama dun sa mafia ng Bureau of Immigration. Siguro naman marami na ho kayong pinagdaanan, and sana matukoy ho natin, no? Kasi otherwise, ang taong bayan, iba na magiging tingin o baka maging iba yung maging pananaw pag sinabing Bureau of Immigration. So sana po, but just one last question. You believe, sir, na meron po nasangkot na personnel ng Bureau of Immigration dito po sa pagtakas ni alias Alice Go?
Sir Manahan.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, Your Honor. Sir, hindi ho natin maalis na wala hong kasangkot ang BI, pero as of this time, sir, I'm sorry, cannot still state with affirmation kung meron pong sangkot na taga-BI. But rest assured, Your Honor, Madam Chairperson, na any
any accomplice or any involvement of any BI personnel once ma-establish po namin na involved or may involvement, we will file criminal and administrative case and we will submit to this committee. Madam.
At saka, I think, if I may, Senator Joel, I think, Sir Manahan, huwag tayo magsimula na i-concede na hindi natin matatanggal. Mag-aim po na linisin talaga yung bureau, no? As sinasabi po ni Senator Joel, filing cases is part of it, pero yung simulang-simula ay yung vision nyo na malinis talaga na BI.
Yes, Madam Chairperson. Considering this case and moving forward, we will fully take note of the guidance of Senator Joel Villanueva. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Madam Chair. No less than the Secretary himself of the Department of Justice made mention about it. So I'm very sure na meron pong part. Kung yung ngayon nga, first time ko lang ho narinig, pati PNP chief before or former PNP chief could be part of this. So almost sure po ako na may part ng BI dito. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. And General Villanueva, may narinig po ba kayong kahit sinong high-ranking Army official na di umano sinuhula ni Go Huaping?
Madam Chair, I don't have any information about the Army officer.
And what about General Karamat? May balita po ba kayo? Ano bang balita nyo tungkol sa dating hepe ng CIDG?
I'm not really sure, sir, kung yun ang ma'am, kung yun ang narinig kong he is part of the information. Hindi ko masyadong sigurado, ma'am. Wala naman kaming formal communication with most of the intelligence officers. May one or two lang nagbumanggit sa akin pero
Tungkol kay General Karamat?
yeah, no
Hindi
ma'am,
po.
partly but
Partly kay General Karamat?
hindi ma'am, yung information hindi parang may sinabi lang sila sa CIDG pero walang specific name na General Karamat, ma'am.
So yung unit ng CIDG ang nababanggit ng ilan mga intelligence operatives. And nabanggit nyo rin po kanina yung monthly na payola. What about mga dating government officials o cabinet secretaries? Kasama po ba sila sa usap-usapan sa intelligence community?
No information, ma'am. None, ma'am.
Alright,
Madam Chair.
salamat General. Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Yung sinasabi niyo monthly payroll, mga pulis, alam niyo unfair yata sa police organization o sa Philippine National Police in general. Siguro pwede niyo nang pangalanan kung sino itong mga pulis na na under the monthly payroll. Kasi I think it's unfair for the police organization. Kasi syempre we'll cast doubts on them, on all of them.
Yeah. Madam Chair, actually I don't have the name except there was some rumors in the intelligence community that a former chief PNP, that's only the information.
Former chief PNP?
Yes, sir. We don't have the exact name.
Hindi niyo pwede pangalanan?
I don't have the name, sir, kung sino talaga. Basta former chief PNP lang.
Ano ba? Is that the gossip or? Huh? Anyway,
That's
Madam
why
Chair,
I said, sir, that the intelligence community are still
Verifying.
Verifying it. They have to confirm it yet.
Madam Chair, before you proceed, I would like to move that we invite the partner of Mayor Kalugay in the next hearing, since Mayor Kalugay mentioned that he has a partner who seems to be running the business interests of the mayor. And according to him, his partner is also the person mentioned by Mayor Kalugay, who knows the buyer of Happy Penguin, yung Veronica Soriano.
Mayor,
I so move, Madam Chair.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore. Naisulat niyo na po ba, Mayor, yung pangalan nila sa papel?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Okay, no, sabihin mo na, our minority leader is requesting us, you to mention the name of your partner. How will we find out?
Naisulat ko na po, Your Honor.
Iimbitahin naman, ba't hindi rin sabihin yung pangalan?
So sa susunod na pagdinig, iimbitahin namin natin ang partner ni Mayor Kalugay para sumagot sa mga tanong ng mga senadora. Comsec, ibabalik ko po itong papel sa iyo.
Madam Chair, and with the indulgence of our colleagues,
Senator Joel.
in the name of fairness, Madam Chair, we have here with us General Karamat, and I also agree with Senator Jinggoy. Ayaw ho natin madungisan yung pangalan ng ating kapulisan. Ayaw din nating just draw conclusion right away na merong ganito, merong ganyan. And we have heard a lot of rumors, etc. Pero this time may mga affidavits, may mga na-interview po tayo na lumalabas yung pangalan ni General Karamat. And yung last hearing, lumabas din po yung pictures, etc. So in the name of fairness, perhaps, Madam Chair, we can give a time and we let General Karamat also speak and defend himself. And at the same time, perhaps, if he knows anything about all these rumors that even a former PNP chief is also part of this brouhaha, Your Honors, please.
Senator Joel, may General Karamat, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin sa komiteng ito sa investigasyon namin?
Madam Chairman and honorable members of this committee, good afternoon, sir. Sir, as for the information that there was an involvement of a former chief PNP, I haven't got any information regarding that on that matter, sir, ma'am.
Your Honor, you are a police commander of PNP Northern Luzon. When the time na nagkaroon po ng raid yung PAOK dito sa Zunyuan, is that correct, sir?
No, Mr. Chair,
Hindi po kayo.
I was in the criminal investigation and director of the
sa CIDG
CIDG,
po kayo.
Mr.
CIDG
Chair.
po. Pero by that time po, may humingi ba sa inyong tulong? Or you heard about this raid, sir?
Actually, when I was duly designated as the director of the CIDG, we raided Pogo in Banban, the first time that the Pogo in Banban was raided.
Kayo po yung nasa Northern Luzon?
No,
Hindi po.
no,
CIDG
Mr.
pa
Chair,
lang.
I was the director, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, so when the time came na yung PAOK TF po ang nag-raid, wala na po kayo?
I was still the director of the CIDG, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Were you informed about it?
No, sir.
Did they ask help from you? Did you give any advice to PAOK?
I was then on leave. That's the reason why maybe I was not informed of the second raid in the Pogo in Banban, Mr.
Kailan
Chair.
niyo po nalaman, sir, na ni-raid na?
After I arrived, sir, from vacation, Mr. Chair.
So after you arrived, when was that? A day or two after?
Immediately after my vacation, Mr. Chair.
So when was that search? That the same day that they raided, or?
I was still on leave when they conducted the raid, Mr. Chair.
Opo, nung dumating na po kayo, mga ilang araw na po yun natapos yung raid?
I think
Kahit estimate lang, sir.
3 to
a week?
4 days
3 to
after
4
the raid
days.
was conducted,
Oo,
Mr.
and
Chair.
nagbigay ho kayo ng payo sa kanila because you said from the first raid, kasama ho kayo.
Well, to be honest, Mr. Chair, I was upset why I was not informed.
Okay.
It was a slap on my face as the director of the CIDG, and they used my men in that trade, and they didn't bother to inform me, so I was upset. But I understand my men that they are just following orders from the chief PNP. So I helped them in their investigation. But even though, honestly, I was upset and I confronted the chief PNP why he didn't inform me of that raid. So
Who was
I
the chief
offered
PNP?
General Acorda then, Mr. Chair, sir.
You said you were upset. You claimed that it was a slap on your face. Pero nagbigay tulong pa rin po kayo. Is that correct? Anong tulong po yung binigay ninyo?
I directed all my investigators to assist in filing the case against that in that POGO operation.
Sir, sabi nyo slap in your face because your men actually, yung mga tao po ninyo, yung kasamang nag-raid. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko po, Madam Chair, ang CIDG NCR po ang tumulong sa PAOK, hindi yung sa regional. Is that correct?
CIDG NCR is still under my command,
Yes,
Mr.
but
Chair,
not
sir.
from the central zone.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And this happened under your nose, so hindi nyo po alam ito when it happened?
I don't know the wisdom of the chief PNP and the PAOK why they didn't inform me during that operation. Maybe because I am on leave, Mr. Chair.
Maybe you're on leave or maybe, Your Honor, Madam Chair, it is because meron pong pangamba sa inyo that you are part of this. Is that something that you thought about, sir?
I talked to the then former chief PNP that if he doesn't trust me, he could immediately relieve me from as director of the CIDG. I confronted the former chief PNP. Kung wala ka ng tiwala sa akin, alisin mo na ako.
And when you confronted him, did he mention na kaya hindi ka in-inform is because you might be part of this? Hindi po niya sinabi yun.
Ang sabi niya lang, nawala sa isip niya dahil nasa live ka naman. So, hindi ko na alam kung sabi niya, sir.
Sir, ano yung connection po ninyo? Kasi last time pinakita yung picture niyo with JP Samson. Anong connection niyo po sa kanya? Magkaibigan po kayo?
Actually, JP Samson, nung unang tinanong yan sa akin sa Kongreso, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan. But when pinakita yung picture sa screen, I remember him. And then pinakilala lang sa akin as GP Taba or GP Baliwag kasi siya po yung may-ari ng Baliwag Litson. And that was the first time I saw him, Mr. Chair.
So hindi kayo matagal nang magkakilala? Wala kayong pinagsamahan na anumang perhaps business interest or anything, sir?
No, Mr. Chair. That was the first time I saw that guy, Mr. Chair.
Sir, may mga last na lang po, Madam Chair, no? May mga binanggit before na when it comes to issuing a search warrant, merong advice from PAOK, from CIDG, I don't know who it is, advise them not to apply for a search warrant to raid Zone U1, Pogo in Bamban. Are you aware of this, sir?
I do not, I'm not aware of that information, sir.
You will never advise anyone, specifically PAOK, not to apply for a search warrant in Zone U1, Your Honor. Just for the record.
Wala pong ganyan, sir, at hindi ko po under ang PAOK. So, ang director ng CIDG have no power or no reason to
Yes,
dictate
that's
the
why
PAOK.
my question is
Yes.
there is no advice whatsoever coming from your
That's correct,
end.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and perhaps
Salamat.
we'll ask PAOK
Salamat.
later on
Yes.
during my time. Thank you.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, gusto ko lang ipaalala na pagkatapos ng chair, ito po yung flow na susundan natin. So pagkatapos ko, si SP Pro Tempore, Majority Leader, Senator Sherwin, Senator Joel, and okay, wala na si Minority. Alright. General Karamat, gaano po kayo ka-close kay Mayor Kalugay? At gaano katagal na po kayo magkakilala?
Mayor Dung Kalugay was a former policeman and we
Yes.
were assigned in the same police provincial office in Lingayen, Pangasinan. And Hindi pa yan, Mayor. Kakilala ko na po, Mr. Chair.
Ganong katagal na po? Ilang taon na?
Mga 10 years, I think, or maybe more, Mr.
more.
Chair.
So higit pa po sa isang dekada.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright po. Mayor Kalugay, kayo naman po, anong link nyo kay General Karamat?
Bilang superior ko po, ganun lang po dati.
Superior nyo?
Hindi naman po kami nagkasama po sa isang opisina pero
Oho.
na-assign po ako ng Provincial Police Office po.
Okay. Yung sinabi din nila na PPO Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Okay po. Magkakilala po ba sina General Karamat at si Go Huaping?
Hindi ko po alam, Madam Chair.
Or naging topic po ba ng pag-uusap nyo ni General Karamat si Go Huaping?
Hindi rin po, Madam Chair.
May chance ba na pinakilala nyo ba silang dalawa sa isa't isa?
Wala pong ganong pinakilala ko po, Madam Chair.
Walang ganon. Miss Kath, nakilala nyo po ba yung mga ibang associates ni Go Huaping, ni dating Mayor Alice Go?
Saan po, Your Honor?
Ba, sa trabaho, nakilala nyo ba yung mga kasosyo niya sa negosyo?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Nakilala nyo ba si Huang Ziyang?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Si Zhang Ruijin, nakilala mo ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Si Zhang Jie, nakilala mo ba sa
Hindi
trabaho?
po, Your Honor.
Si Cassie Leong, siguro naman, nakilala nyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Si Attorney Harry Roque, nakilala mo sa
Hindi
trabaho.
po, Your Honor.
Si General Karamat, nakilala mo ba sa trabaho?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Yan. And, oo, si Duan Ren Wu, nakilala mo ba sa trabaho nyo? Miss Kath?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh, nakilala nyo si Cassandra Leong, di ba?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam yung...
No. Kanina sabi mo nakilala mo si Cassie Leong.
Yes po, si
Yes.
Ma'am Cassie po.
So, nakilala nyo rin si Duan Ren Wu. Kasi sabay silang pumupunta sa...
Sa name po, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Sa pag pinakita po yung picture, kilala.
Okay, mamaya may ipapakita kaming photo na magkasama po sila.
Sige.
At kasama mo si tama po ba na magkasama kayo ni Miss Sheila at ni Miss Cassie sa biyahe? Sa Taiwan po.
Your Honor, hindi po namin kasama si Ma'am Cassie po sa Taiwan.
Wala si Cassie sa Taiwan,
Yes
si
po,
Miss
Your
Cassie.
Honor.
Pero kasama nyo si Miss Sheila
Yes po,
sa
Your
biyahe
Honor.
sa Taiwan.
Opo, Your Honor.
And si Guo Huaping.
Yes po.
Alright. Yes,
Just
Senator
interject
Sherwin.
Since we're already asking si Cathy. Si Mayor Kalugay, nakilala niyo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Doon sa, kasi natanong ni Senator Jinggoy na 2017,
Opo.
nag-start ka kay Ms. Guo Huaping. Si Mayor Kalugay, nakilala mo since 2017?
Siguro po, Your Honor, mga 2022 po.
2020?
Yes
Ano
po,
ang
Your-
pagkakilala mo sa kanya?
Nung in-invite po siya ni Ma'am sa sa parade po na, doon ko po siya nakita.
In-invite siya sa parade.
Yes po.
At ilang beses mo siyang nakilala?
Siguro po, Your Honor, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, 5 to 6 po. Doon ko po siya na-meet. 5 to 6 po.
Kanina mayroong mga tanong si Senator Jinggoy about yung kanilang romantic relationship. Meron ka bang ganun na nakita?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ka na ganun nakita?
Yes
Wala
po,
kang
Your
na... Hindi naman masama magkaroon ng romantic relationship, ha? Walang batas na nagbabawal at nagva-violate kung meron kang romantic relationship, whether official, unofficial, MU, holding hands, walang violation yun. Kaya walang masama kung sabihin mo meron. Kaya ang tanong namin, meron ka bang nakitang, in your opinion, na mukhang romantic relationship sa kanilang dalawa? Yan.
Ay, wala po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, di nila papakita sa'yo.
Salamat, Senator
Madam Chair,
Sherwin.
can I just one last
Yes,
dun sa
Senator
kay
Joel.
Kat? Kasi binanggit mo yung relationship nyo na nakikita mo si Mayor Kalugay Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ka magtataka dun. Kami kasi first time lang namin makita yung mga pictures and all na pinakita ni Sen Jinggoy, Sen Risa, etc. Pati yung mga dokumento, etc. Nakikita sila together, etc. Kami, may nagbubuo na sa aming isip. Sa'yo wala talagang nabuo sa isip mo na maaari na meron silang relasyon?
Your Honor, wala po.
Engagement sa negosyo, wala ka rin alam?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Ito na lang yung last question ko. Bakit may number ka ni Kat, ni Cheryl?
Binigay po ni Ma'am Alice.
Doon lang siya binigay yung number ni Kat?
Sorry po, Your
Isang
Honor.
beses mo lang tinawagan si Kat?
Ah,
Never mo siyang nakausap before that call when you ask her for a lawyer that would notarize this public document?
hindi po siya first time, Your
So
Honor.
maraming beses na.
Madalang po.
Madalang, mga ilang beses yung madalang.
Siguro, kapag may ano lang po si Ma'am Alice.
May instruction
Yes
lang.
po. Pero
So-
madalang lang
So
po.
ibig sabihin, Miss Kat, even before na tinawagan mo si Cheryl, magkakilala na kayo.
Opo, kilala ko po siya.
Nagtatawagan na kayo.
Yes po, Your Honor,
Thank
pero
you.
madalang po.
Sige po, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Mayor Kalugay, may kilala ka bang Roderick Rancampolio? Alias Pong.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ano siya? Empleyado sa munisipyo?
Empleyado po ng munisipyo, Your Honor.
Pero empleyado sa munisipyo pero inassign mas bodyguard ni Ma'am Alice?
Hindi ko po inassign, Your Honor.
Ano? Ba't lagi siya nasa kay Ma'am Alice? Alice, kilala mo?
Hopping.
Send dun sa name po, hindi ko po kilala po.
Nasa ba yung picture na? Sandali lang ha. Kunin ko lang yung picture. Nasa yung picture? Hindi. Ito. Ito. Alice. Go whopping. Ito. Ako tingnan mo.
Sir, hindi ko po kilala.
Hindi ba siya nagsiserve as your bodyguard? O driver? Driver
Hindi
pala,
po.
driver.
Driver, hindi po.
Ha?
Hindi
Hindi po siya nakita kahit kailan.
Yung mukha po, yung picture po na pinakita niyo po sa akin, sir, hindi ko po siya kilala.
Ito. Ito si Melchor Rangel o Rangel.
Hindi ko po kilala Melchor Rangel.
Melchor.
Melchor, wala po.
Ha? Kilala mo ito si Melchor, Mayor? Mayor,
Hindi ko po nakita po yung picture, Your Honor.
pakita page, pwede. Melchor Rangel o Rangel from Pangaskasan, Sual. Empleyado mo ba?
Empleyado po ito, Your Honor.
Okay, saan siya naka-assign?
Hindi po ako sigurado, Your Honor, kung anong department po siya naka-assign po, Your Honor.
Alit-lit ng munisipyo mo, hindi mo alam yung mga empleyado mo kung saan naka-assign. Hindi ba in-assign mo kay Alice Go yan?
Ay,
As
hindi
a-
po, Your Honor.
Personal driver or personal bodyguard?
Wala po akong inassign, Your Honor.
Wala kayo na-assign. Alright. Yung hinihingi kong zonal valuation ng lupa na binenta mo, magkano? Natawag mo na ba sa municipal assessor mo?
Wala pa po kung matawagan, Your Honor. Isusumiti ko na po.
O yan, may bumubulong sa'yo sa likod.
Isusumiti ko na po pag itanong ko po kung ayun, ano po yung zonal value po, Your Honor.
Nagtataka.
Mayor, hiningi po namin sa inyo yun ngayong araw during this hearing. Simpleng fact lang po yun na madaling maitanong nyo sa assessor nyo magkanong zonal value ng lupa dyan po sa Suwal.
Pwedeng bigyan niyo po ako ng ilang minuto po at tatawag po ako, Your Honor.
Yes, of course. Kanina pa po yun. Of course.
Pwede na ba? Kasi
Magtanong ako kay Yusek Cruz sa PAOK. Actually, may iba pa akong mga tanong sa PAOK, pero dahil natatanong na rin namin at this point si General Karamat. So, ang PAOK, you were looking into possible involvement of General Karamat in Bamban. Yung investigasyon niyo po ba, tumingin din ba sa links nila kay Mayor Kalugay?
Mas nag-focus kami, ma'am. Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. We focus more on the investigation, ma'am, and the filing of cases, those especially the money laundering cases. As to the members and those who are operating this legal Pogo Hub in Banban.
And sa investigasyong iyon, kahit dun sa focus niyo sa money laundering, pero bahagi siya sa maraming nakakabit sa Pogo. Bukod dun sa tingin ninyo dun sa possible involvement ni General Karamat, tiningnan nyo rin po ba yung possible links ni Mayor Kalugay kaugnay ng kabuang Pogo and yung mga kakabit na krimen kasama ng money laundering?
Kagaya, ma'am, ng sinabi ko kanina, ma'am, nag-focus po kami. Although initially, ma'am, may talagang nag-ingat kami as far as the application of the search warrant. Dahil may mga info nga kami, ma'am, na may mga involvement yung ibang kasamahan namin sa uniform service. But yung name ni General Karamat naman, ma'am, lumalabas yan as him being the chief ng CIDG during that time, ma'am. But as to the involvement, ma'am, hindi po kami masyadong nag-focus pa nun during that time.
I see. Salamat, Yusek Cruz. Gusto rin acknowledge ng chair ang presensya ni Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kaayo sa pagdalo. General, did you want to say something? General Karamat?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Actually, sir, Madam po.
Madam Chair, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Binigyan ko lang kayo ng chance kanina, kaya
Yes, ma'am.
pangalawang
Yes,
round na to na...
Yes, ma'am.
Sige po, go ahead, General.
The reason why I was being called every time there was a hearing on this, because initially I was suspected to be involved in the Pogo dahil yung mga nag-raid ng Pogo, ng mga CIDG personnel, was relieved accordingly, and di assume na nirelieve ko itong mga taong ito dahil they presume also that I was a protector of the Pogo. But I explained it already in toto, this matter, the Congress, the reason why all those CIDG personnel who were involved in that raid, may rason talaga po na talagang may impending revamp, Madam Chair.
Salamat, General. Pero timing talaga, no? Impending revamp, pero natuloy talaga kasunod ng successful raid na iyon ng PAOK sa tulong ng CIDG personnel noon. Meron akong huling tatlong tanong sa PAOK, and then bibigyang daan ko na yung aking mga colleagues simula sa SP pro tempore. Yusek Cruz, nung nakaraang hearing, tinanong ko po kung yung huling raid nyo sa Cebu naman ay nag-uncover ng link sa Bamban at pati sa Porac. Pwede nyo po bang i-expound on yun ngayon?
Yes, Madam Chair. If you would allow Director Winston Casio to present the simple video presentation.
Salamat, Yusek Cruz, Director Casio. Pero bago natin ipakita, ilang minuto yung video na to?
Siguro ma'am, less than 5 minutes.
Okay, please proceed.
We gave the copy to the Senate Secretariat already, to the Committee Secretariat.
Yes, ipapakita na po natin. Yan na po.
That is a video presentation, ma'am. It supposedly meron po yung voice over.
hanggat ma-up yung audio, baka pwede nyo
Yes, ma'am.
annotate muna.
Basically, ma'am, the operation was a request from the Indonesian embassy po kasi around July 21, 3 Indonesian nationals were able to escape from that Pogo hub. Then they were secured by the National Bureau of Investigation around July 22. The Indonesian embassy submitted the request to the NBI Central Office, ma'am.